Okay, so what we are going to be doing today in this video is we are going to be assigning different types of load cases. So we'll go to define, and the first one we have is the load case. So you can create different load case you want. You can see it at this point. So now let's go to define and choose load pattern. So the first one we have is dead load, and is dead. The self weight is there automatically, so we are okay with that. The next one is live. There's no self weight, so we just leave it as 0. Then the next one we have is the wind load, so you can name it as wind X. That is the wind load. Then choose the type, choose it to wind, so select wind and click OK. So automatically this tab will open because it is a lateral load. So I'm going to choose which code I'm using. So I'm going to be using the Euro code 1, which is for my loading. So I'll select this and click add. So add new load. You can see WX, and the next one is going to be WY. Then you choose the code you want, which is also going to be the same, and you choose this and you also add. So you can decide to modify this. So for example, I want to modify, let's say I've changed this load. Now I want to turn off my self weight multiplier. I put 0. I will just modify load, so you can see it here. But in this case I need my self weight, so I'll select this and modify the load. So I don't need to put self weight for any of that again. So we are done with the load pattern definition.